Welcome back to EduGlance. We've bought the materials, now we have to make the product. But in a modern supply chain, making isn't enough. You have to make it without waste. This is the heart of lean manufacturing. Developed by Toyota, lean is the obsessive pursuit of eliminating anything that doesn't add value to the customer. Today, we'll learn how to transform a chaotic factory into a streamlined, high-profit machine. To be lean, you must first see the waste. In Japanese, we call this Muda. Think of the acronym DOWNTIME. Most people think waste is just trash in a bin, but in SCM, waste is a machine sitting idle, waiting, or making more products than the customer ordered, overproduction. Every time a forklift moves a pallet unnecessarily, that's transportation waste. Your goal is to hunt these down and kill them. This is a classic exam topic, push vs pull. A push system is like a fast food place making burgers before you arrive. It's fast, but if no one comes, the food goes to waste. A pull system, like a high-end restaurant, only starts cooking once you order. Lean thrives on pull. We use Kanban cards, visual signals that tell the previous station exactly when to send more parts. No signal, no production. This keeps inventory at near zero levels. You cannot have a lean process in a messy warehouse. We use the 5S framework to organize the workspace. It sounds simple, sorting and cleaning, but it's actually about discipline. When a worker doesn't have to spend 5 minutes looking for a wrench, that's 5 minutes of value add time returned to the company. 5S is the visual proof of a well-managed supply chain. For the MBA level, you must understand the two pillars of TPS. JIT is about speed and flow. But JIT is dangerous without Jidoka. Jidoka means intelligent automation. If a machine detects a tiny defect, it automatically stops the entire line. This prevents a single mistake from turning into 1,000 ruined products. We call this built-in quality, and it's why lean companies have the highest profit margins. In 2026, lean is going digital through additive manufacturing or 3D printing. Traditional manufacturing is subtractive. You cut a shape out of a block and waste the scraps. 3D printing only uses the exact material needed. This is the ultimate lean tool. It allows for manufacturing at the edge, where we ship a digital file instead of a physical part, eliminating transportation and inventory waste entirely. Technology has supercharged lean. We now use digital twins, virtual copies of our factories. Before moving a machine to improve flow, we test it in the simulation. Sensors on the floor, feed data into AI that spots waste that a human eye might miss. This is Lean 2.0, data-driven, autonomous, and incredibly fast. Manufacturing is the engine of the supply chain. By applying lean principles, you turn that engine into a high-performance machine. This was video #14. Now that the product is made, how do we track it through the global web? Tomorrow, we look at the tech that makes it all visible, blockchain and AI. Subscribe to EduGlance, and I'll see you there.